So hello everyone, my name is Avajit and today I will showcase my first machine learning project which is a movie recommendation system. So as you can see there are three files. First is the movie recommendation system code that I have written in Python and two another files which are the datasets that we have used to create this whole machine learning project. So if you wonder that from where I get this data, this is the TMDB 5000 dataset from Kaggle. You can go to that website and check out the details of that dataset. And now we will directly jump into the code. First, I will show you the code which I have written. So I load this code in Jupyter Notebook, and now let's see that what I have done in this code. First of all, I imported two libraries of Python, which is Numpy and Pandas, and I imported two datasets that we have seen, the movies and the movie credits. And then this is the data that is in the dataset. This is the first only data that I have shown here, and now we will see that I have taken only these columns to make this machine learning project, because as we know that we have before we have 23 columns, and we should not get that much of data to create this mini project. That's why we have taken fewer columns. So now after getting these columns, these are the data sets that we are taking, and now we can see that the data is not in a proper condition. There are something written which is not clear to us. So we will just clean this data, and here the codes that I have written to clean this data. And as you can see that uh, the first code that I have written, we define a object file named convert to clear the data. And here you can see that we have cleared the data of genres, the name of the movie, and now we can see that then we cleaned this data more and more, so that the cleanest possible data set we can take to create this project. And we take top three cast name of every movie and only the director name from the crew, and we took the genre of the movie and the name and the overview about the movie. Then as you can see that uh, we written the code, and in this section we used scikit-learn to convert the movie data set into the vector format, and this is the shape that we found here, that 4806 and 5000. And what is it? that, to be precise, we have 4,806 movies and 5,000 words we have taken to check every movie with every other movie to see that how much similarities the movie has, so that we will give the user the best possible recommendation in this code. Then these are the rest of the code that we have used, and as you can see, we have tried it before, that recommend movie Avatar, and it recommended movie like Titan, Small Soldiers, Independence Day, etc. And we also wrote Batman, and we get the recommendation of the movie like Batman, Batman and Robin, The Dark Knight Rises, Batman Begins, Batman Returns. Also, we tried r- the movie Gravity, and we get some other movie that's recommendation. And also, we have tried the movie Martian, and we get the recommendations of Red Planet, Escape from Planet Earth, Mission to Mars, Midday, Apollo 13, etc. So now we will see live that how this recommendation system works. First, we will write recommend, and in this single inverted comma, we will write the name of the movie. Like I am writing the movie Revenant. Just a second, and now we can see uh, it's showing some error that we have done in the name of the movie. And now again, if I get enter, so we can see that it is giving us some names like Into the Grizzly Maze, The Edge, I Am What, etc. And let's try one more movie. Control uh, the move recommend, and we will give the movie name. So as we wrote the name World War Z, we get some movie. As you can see, it's working properly fine. So let's try one more name. So the last name that we are trying is the Maze Runner. Now enter. So after giving the name the Maze Runner, we can see that we are getting some names like Maze Runner, the Sports Trails, the Book of Eli, etc. So here's the whole code that we have written, and we can see that it's working very fine. And yeah, this is the code, and thank you for watching.